Hi, this is Karma, episode 5, and this person is Elijah. He was sent in from Lily, from Mississippi. Alright, and this is Eli.
Hold on just a second. Alright.
This is Eli.
Can't see that picture. Let's go back to this picture.
It's the same picture, except he has his tongue out in one. Alright.
Move.
Hello? 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 You want me to kick your ass? Who is this? It's your neighbor. Who? Yeah, your neighbor. Hello? Hang up.
Yeah. Alright. Now it's my best part. It's my favorite part. I don't know this person very well. Not at all. But I studied him. What up? My name is Eli.
Hold on, you've got to do it again. Back up and do it again.
I have an afro. Oh yeah. Alright, well, this is Karma, serving up justice, one asshole at a time. But sadly, Lily was not brave enough to get out and give out his number. So, remember, if you have got an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, you know what to do. Name, number, picture, a little bit about him, and we can take it all good. Peace.